Hello everyone. I'm not a YouTuber, to be honest. I would try my best to edit this, but I'm just so tired of searching for supplement reviews and only finding videos that say the same things over and over again, even though I couldn't find any honest or unbiased review on Sugar Defender. I went ahead and bought anyway, so I'm gonna share my experience. Before we dive in, if you're just a person looking for a reliable link to the official site, I've left the link below where I bought Sugar Defender so you can trust it's safe, okay? Well, I've always had unstable blood sugar levels. To make matters worse, I always felt that this was getting in the way of my weight loss journey. I felt that nothing I tried seemed to work and that the problem was with me. That's when I heard something called Sugar Defender, and let me tell you something, I really wasn't sure when I bought it. I was skeptical, but since it's a natural supplement, I thought, why not? Since I had pretty much nothing to lose. And I decided to give it a shot. So here's my experience. I'll be honest with you guys though, okay? Initial results were subtle and I didn't feel much difference overall, but I thought it could only be a matter of time since everybody reacts differently. And with a money back guarantee in place, I stuck with it. Around the second month, I started to notice a difference in my energy and vitality. I really felt healthier in general. After a couple of weeks, my sugar went down from 200 to 120. I was shocked, seriously. Now here's the best part, okay? I also shed 12 pounds with zero side effects. It felt like watching the fat melt away, honestly. So yeah, this supplement really helped lower my blood sugar levels. I was super surprised at how fast it worked after I took it, and even helped me shed a few pounds that I'll be trying to lose for a while. I thought it would be just another ineffective supplement like so many others, but it surprised me positively. So trust me, it works. And of course, we all know that everybody reacts differently, but my commitment was the game changer, and that's my golden tip. Follow the approach, and I really think this will do the work. And as I mentioned before, be cautious of counterfeit products, okay? The only guaranteed way to get the original Sugar Defender is through the official site. Please protect yourself and your health, okay? You can find the official link where I made my purchase in the video description. To address any concerns you may have, if you are wondering whether Sugar Defender should be taken for life, simply continue until you experience the results you want. As for usage, it's straightforward. Just take a food dropper under your tongue in the morning before breakfast or dissolve a dropper in a glass of water. Personally, I found consistent daily use to be crucial for achieving excellent results. And that's why opting for the 3 6 month supply not only saves you money, but ensure there's no break in your progress. To be honest, I really wish someone had made a video like mine before I bought it, because it would have saved me a lot of money since you save more with the 3 6 month supply options. Concerning safety, Sugar Defender is made in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP certified facility. As mentioned earlier, the product is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you have a change of heart, it's okay. You can return the bottles for a full refund. So yeah, basically you got nothing to lose. So yeah, I think that's it. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you. If you decide to give Sugar Defender a shot, don't forget the official link is in the video description, okay? And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching.